Yeah, sure. Thought we were gonna do that. Alright. Never really get around to it though.
This one's shorter.
We're gonna need a really good plot.
And the top is already over.
Okay. You'll be like randomly sitting in a hotel room bored out of your mind, watching TV.
No, that's a lame
And
one.
I'll be the plumber who doesn't have any
Smoke
Oh, okay, wait, that's kind of
Dude.
good. I like that.
What?
There has to be a lot of
And I'll be
good.
like, hey.
There has to
I
be a
heard
lot
you
of
guys
really
needed
good
some
pickup
pipes
lines
cleaned
too.
It's an imitation of what happens after you go to a Mexican food restaurant.
Or Taco Bell, which really isn't a restaurant.
Or Mexican food.
Hey, if it's made by Mexicans, it's Mexican food.
It's made by white boys.
Which pretty much
Is
yeah,
it?
includes
What
Panda
Taco Bell do you go
Express,
to?
The one by where we live,
What,
it's
like
filled with white people.
Pizza Hut.
more or
Wow.
less anything.
You know what Scott Brown was here? You know, from Scotland, the hardcore DJ. We were hanging out with him. I was like, okay, well in Scotland there's no Mexicans. Who drives ice cream trucks?
We started a small
that's-
fire.
That's nice. Fun.
Yeah.
It's not throwing pieces up into the atmosphere.
Maybe
Like,
that's
Burning my
That's
ears.
because it's not to that stage
it's
yet.
such a good like
Ow.
8 feet.
Ow.
Alright.
Stand
Burning
there.
my ears.
It'd be cool to have like a stick.
It's really so tougher than everybody else.
Still? My
Yeah.
skin is becoming
Oh!
Ow, right here.
Warping the cameras.
That feeling.
Oh my god. It's so hot.
Oh! Somebody get the fire hose ready.
Let's see the cash.
Right here.
Okay.
Personal checks. Ow.
Do you take Casey brand checks? They're good for anything Casey.
Would you take a third-party out-of-state bad check? Why, yes, I would.
Let's out. Let's see how close I can get before out. Out. This is the out zone.
Here, poke it with the stick.
That's a good idea. There's one right up here.
And now you
Oh,
made
there goes the pieces. That's got to start a
Sam.
house or two on fire. There we go.
Okay. If anybody gets knocked out.
Oh my god. Butter? They're like pieces of butter. It's like double the cost of
Hey,
Actually,
But
I'm
the fridge
pretty much ready to just go home, so you want me to just try it?
I'll go home and do them if you're on.
It's like this.
I'm probably
this chair is heated now.
Okay, well then we heat up.
There's nothing really to do
It's
here.
gone down a
I'm
little.
gonna go home too. Good meeting you guys.
Okay, so
I'll just set
may
the
not be
place
the
on
wisest
fire
choice,
and then leave.
But you're in charge?
You're in
Because we're leaving.